As a medical doctor, a licensed physician, I would like to address headaches, a common health problem that affects many people around the world. Headaches are one of the most common health problems and are recognized by World Health Organization. According to the World Health Organization, almost half of the adult population worldwide suffers from headache at least once a year. The prevalence of headache is high in India. According to Indian Journal of Psychiatry, nearly 30% of Indian population suffers from headaches. Women suffering from them more frequently than men. Headaches can leave and have a significant impact on the quality of life, leading to absenteeism from work or school, decreased productivity, and increased medical costs. Fortunately, with a proper education and care, headaches can be prevented and treated effectively. As a physician, I know how to prevent these sorts of headache by identifying the headache first. Headache can be prevented and treated effectively by imparting the patient education about different types of headache and their causes and available modalities of treatment. To help you better understand and manage headaches, we organize headache workshops to provide you with the knowledge and skill you need to effectively prevent and treat the headaches. Under these workshops, we include lifestyle changes, stress management techniques, and medications for the management of headache. By attending this workshop, you can gain a better understanding of headaches, learn effective strategies for management of headaches and coping skills, and improve your overall quality of life. We hope that you will take an advantage of this opportunity and use it to improve your health. You have any queries and questions about the workshops, or you have headache, please contact, and we strive our best to improve the headache and maintain the health of the whole body. We are arranging such headache workshops because general public perception about the headache is very simple and self-limiting problem. All the headaches are same. Everyone has headache, which might be contrary that headache can be different. There are different types of headaches: chronic daily headache, tension type of headache, migraine headache, cluster headaches, or so many other varieties of headaches. So this has to be segregated and analyzed by clinical neurologist, and then it should be categorized into which type of headache you are into. Based on the cause of headache, we can define and give you specific modalities of treatment along with the medications. Just medications may not be sufficient. Medicines along with the coping skills, stress management techniques, relaxation techniques, yoga, and wherever necessity, other mind-body therapies we incorporate and add into this headache special techniques and headache related services. So hope to see you in this upcoming workshops on headache.